So the seawall is about a block and a half from my shop. Oh, here comes another one. As awesome as that is, this is what it does when it's a king tide. So between the king tide, which is an extra high tide, and the storm surge, because we're in the middle of a storm too, it likes to flood our street. It's flooded for at least 3 or 4 blocks that away. But we will stay nice and dry because we are about a foot above all of this. There's a curb right about there, so it's pretty deep. And then all of this that's coming out by the trash can right in there is actually from the seawall down to the left. The way that the parking lot is it pushes the water towards the marina, which is right here. Only the curbs are too high. So there's some logistical problems, but you know, it makes for an interesting day.